Hey guys, this is Charlie from Riverside Home Buyers, and today we are in Barstow, California. Come on, let's go check out the latest flip. They built these things, what we call this glop-ons, which is this thing right here. Okay, so this is the first thing that we're gonna do is take this down. This is liability. The first thing we do is take that down. All right, here's the garage. The guy's already started emptying out the place. Okay, so we'll be fixing these doors. We're gonna be walking in right now. I gotta warn you, it is bad in there. All right, so come on, come check it out. This is a contractor. This is our general contractor right here. So far, he's done really great work for us. Okay, so what are we gonna do here? Put some recessed lights?
Yes, recessed can light.
Here, we're gonna be putting some can lights. How many, two? Two can lights, 4-inch? 6-inch. 6-inch can lights. Yeah. What Hiron was telling me is that the popcorn ceiling right here, yeah, it's concrete. So it's not like drywall where you can come in and wet it. It's concrete, so it's gonna be really, really tough. So what we plan to do is take the 10 or 20 minute mud and go right over it, do the first coat, and then maybe do a couple another coat, and then be done with it. Right here, we're gonna be blowing out this kitchen right here. So we'll be getting all new cabinets. There's the white shaker cabinets with the quartz on it, with the stainless steel deep dish, and the black trim. So it looks really, really nice, and it pops really, really nice. All right, here's a water heater over here. It's got no straps, and there's not a water pan, and it's disconnected going to the tube, so going to the top. So I already know that it doesn't meet the regulations. We're gonna go ahead and do the skip trowel, do the first coat, the skip trowel, all this right here. We're gonna put a couple can lights. All right, this is the hallway. This is the bathroom. Take a look at it. It looks horrendous. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing here is what we did at the last house, and we're gonna be putting tile in it. We're also gonna be tearing out everything in there. It's gonna be new vanity, mirror, commode, flooring. Everything's gonna be changed out. The same thing in the rooms right here. Come on and take a look. This is not the worst house that we've been in, but I mean, this is a pretty bad house. So all of this right here is gonna be, needs to be trashed out, demoed out, and then we'll start building it back up, starting with doing drywall, texture, the ceiling, and then after that, we're gonna replace the trim, the doors. Karan likes the 6-panel doors. All right, same thing here. All right, we're gonna scrape the ceilings. That can be scraped right here. All this shit is gonna be taken out. It's gonna be hauled away, and then he's gonna just trim it in here for closet door. Okay guys, we are at the back of the house. Okay, so I'm gonna point out some obvious things. Of course, is we're gonna need some socket work done along with some chicken wire here. So we need some work done here. And over here also, this is what actually leaks behind the kitchen. So we're gonna have to replace the galvanized piping, and then also the cast iron. We need to replace the cast iron here. So all this right here is, you're gonna have to break this out, do the repairs, and then put it back together, okay? Where I'm standing here is a patio, and you can see that it's already still got a lot of dry rot. So that's gonna have to be replaced. The roof up on top is also gonna need to replace. Obviously, the house needs a lot of TLC, and so join us in another 3 months when the house is totally complete, and I want you to join me to see how it's transformed. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon.